Hey everyone! I don't think I've ever officially introduced myself to you all, so my name is Jessa Marie and welcome to my channel. I'm so excited for you guys to be here with me because I have a very exciting announcement. I have decided to completely revamp my YouTube channel, all of my social media in fact, but my YouTube channel specifically, and I'm very excited for you guys to be here with me to see where we're going to be going with this. Now, my current followers, don't worry, all of the stuff that you're used to me posting will still be there. I'm still going to be posting my dancing, freestyles, tricks, my drop-in class routines, my performances, my competition pieces, all of that wonderful stuff will still be there and I will still be posting it. What I'm going to do is just broaden the topics that I will be covering on my YouTube channel. So what will I actually be covering? Glad you asked. I'm going to be talking about everything in life as it relates to pole dancers specifically, pole fitness, pole sport, everybody. So whether that be your makeup, your cats that won't leave you alone, children, anything in life as it relates to pole, how to recover, how to eat, lifestyle, how to deal with your family and friends that are judging you, all of these things that no one really talks about. I'll tell you a little secret. The body acne. No one talks about the body acne from the sweat. I will talk about it. I'll talk about everything you guys want to talk about. So if you have anything specifically you'd like me to cover, like your first pole class, what to bring in your bag to the studio, what kind of heels to buy, tutorials, anything you guys want to hear about, leave it in the comments section below. That way I know you're interested in it. And if you don't have a YouTube account or you don't feel like commenting below, no worries. I have plenty of social media that you can chat with me on. I've got Facebook, I've got Instagram. If that's not your thing, I've got a website. You can type a comment into my website and it'll go straight to my email address. So as we go through this wonderful journey and change together, make sure that you guys subscribe to my channel, ring that notification bell below, and give this video a thumbs up. That way I know that you're interested and you want to continue with this new direction that I'm going to be going. And if you have any questions, I will be reading all of the comments. I look forward to reading. I look forward to talking to you guys more. And if there's anything else you'd like to talk about, let me know. Have a wonderful day, everybody. Love you, babes.